This is so freaking cold outside these days. If you don't feel like going outside, you must watch today's video. Because I'm gonna show you a rice ball recipe that you could make with an ingredient at home. Slice 250 grams of kimchi. I'm gonna put them inside a rice bowl, so try making this as small as possible. I'm gonna dice up again using a scissor. And this way you can chop up the kimchi easily. Also, slice the 136 grams of bacon. I'll use a thick bacon to give a better texture. Put 2 spoons of oil on a pan and put a chopped kimchi. Put 1.5 spoons of sugar and give it a good stir for 3 minutes. Put a chopped bacon and put 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Stir them all together for 2 more minutes. Slice 90 grams of onion into a big chunk. Put them into a bowl and pour 1 cup of water. Leave this for 30 minutes so the spicy taste of onion would go away. Then put them into a device and grind them into a thin paste. Strain the 170 grams of tuna to remove an oil inside. Put them into a bowl. Put a chopped onion. Put 70 grams of corn. Put 3 spoons of mayonnaise. Mix them using a spoon. Put 1 spoon of sesame oil in a 350 grams of steamed rice. Sprinkle a pinch of salt. Mix them all together using a paddle. Then I'm gonna separate the rice for 70 grams each. Put a seasoned laver on a tray and spread them evenly using a hand. Then push the rice ball using a thumb and make a little sinkhole in the middle. Put a 2½ spoons of tuna mixture. Push them to the edge and cover the tuna mixture using a steamed rice. Roll a rice ball on a tray using a palm. Make sure all sides are covered with a seasoned laver. Also, push the rice ball using a thumb and make a little sinkhole in the middle. Put 2½ spoons of kimchi mixture and repeat the process. So thank you for watching today's video and leave a comment below. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe and get more interesting video.